Okay. Hello, hello. Okay. Welcome, tribers, in hashtag Canto Mindset community. For those who are first time here, my name is Rad, and it's my great honor to be your host today. First of all, I'm really grateful that you are here with me today. And secondly, I might not be live next 2 days because I'm preparing to go for camping with my son, and I'm not sure how I will get on with the internet. So just to be know that I'm not disappearing, or at least not for long. However, this comes with the actually kind of aligns with the topic of today's slide, where we have that kind of way of thinking about things that they are granted. They are there for sure. Like that we will wake up every morning, that we will see sun, that there will be maybe rain, that we have good health, that we have job, house, car, and other things. We take all of this as something normal, granted, something that always will be there. And question for you, how many times you pause and thought, what if, just what if, next day those things will not be there? Okay, let's not go mad and think about that sun will disappear, but what if you will wake up tomorrow and you will have no job? Or what if your health will decrease? Have you ever paused yourself just to acknowledge the things that are in your life, the things that you're taking for something normal, something granted? Did you take time to be grateful for them? To feel that appreciation for things you have in your life? Or you all the time busy with other stuff, don't really realize how beautiful things you have already in your life? I was like that, always running towards some mysterious goal, dreams, thinking that this will make me happy. And I see plenty of my clients and friends are very similar. Even though they have great things around them, even though their life is maybe not perfect, no one's life is perfect, right? But it's nice, cozy, and other kind of things. They cannot complain about lacking anything in their life, yet they complain because they found the lack in their life, they focus on this, and they have that dream goal there. Whenever I achieve this, I will be happy, satisfied, and whatever. Don't get me wrong, having a goal, having a dream is an amazing thing, and I wish everyone have one, at least one, and work toward it. Although what I'm saying here is that first find out how many things you already have in your life, how many things you already could be grateful for, enjoy, and most importantly, find that happiness, that enjoyment, that satisfaction inside you. Because believe me, even when you achieve this dream goal of yours, it won't make you happy for long if you don't have that happiness already in you. This is the mindset shift that I'm helping people to find out, to learn. This mindset shift to find the happiness, satisfaction, enjoyment of life, gratitude and appreciation of things we have inside us. Then have that goal, have clarity of that dream, and work toward it. Plan your journey toward it and work on it. Because this will add to your happiness. It won't create it. It won't create the happiness that will stay there forever. Long-lasting happiness. It won't create that. It will add to this what you have inside you. And guess what? If you will be unhappy with what you have already now, if you will be ungrateful with all the things you have already now, okay, you achieve your goal, nice, you will feel some happiness, but this what you have inside, that ungratefulness, that unhappiness, will make you just find out in this dream of yours things that maybe it could be better, it's not really what I wanted, and all of that kind of flaws of your dream. You don't have to agree with me. I'm telling you from my experience. Years back, I was maybe not unhappy, but I was ungrateful. And doesn't matter what I have achieved, doesn't matter what kind of dreams came true in my life. I've never actually could show real appreciation and gratefulness for this. I never could really enjoy these moments, enjoy these things in full. Yes, I've had moments of enjoyment when I get this, when I realize, oh, I achieved my goal. But because I haven't have that gratefulness inside me, and my happiness was quite low, I couldn't really appreciate this. I couldn't really enjoy this. And even more, I couldn't show this appreciation and happiness outside of me. It comes from me being afraid of criticism and all that kind of thing, but I'm telling you, if you don't have that in you, if you will not accept yourself, your happiness, your satisfaction and enjoyment in you, then it doesn't matter what you will get, achieve, it will create just short-term happiness in you. And we all want to have happy and satisfied life all the time, right? Or long time, or as much as we can. And it is possible. I believe you can have that kind of life. But first, you need to, if you want, transform your mindset. First of all, to be more happy, to find that happiness, satisfaction and enjoyment in you. And to do this, to transform your mindset, to find this characteristic in yourself, it's good to practice gratitude. It's good to find out every day 2-3 things that you are grateful for, that usually you take for granted. Like, I'm grateful that I can stand here in front of you and talk with you, because I have 2 healthy legs. I can vocalize my thoughts. I have roof over my head, internet, and I can talk with you. So I'm very grateful for that kind of gift. Even though for a long time I was taking all of this for granted. Okay, maybe not the internet, but my health, my voice, my knowledge. all of this was, yeah, I have that, okay. So this gratitude journal, which I'm all the time telling you to try it out, to use it, is one of the tips that will help you transform your mindset. Just every morning or every evening, write down 2-3 things that you are grateful for. And not just write them down. Remind yourself, why are you grateful for? Remind yourself all the feelings that those things instantiate in you. I think that's kind of the word. It's more from the programming, I know. Although for this moment, it will do. One more thing that you can do is kind of like a flipping method. So, well, we all have difficult times in our lives. Life is not always the bed of roses, right? And even if it is, the roses have thorns. So instead of focusing on these bad things, just flip it. Look for that beauty of these roses. If we keep to the example of roses, look for that silver lining. Maybe it is just a lesson in disguise. Those not nice things, right? So if something is not going your way, think first of all, what can you learn from this? And then remind yourself how grateful you are for all of this, what you already have. This way, you will have great, satisfying, enjoyable life. You don't have to believe me, you don't have to trust me. That's your choice. And that's okay. I believe you deserve great life. I believe all of these things, all of the happiness, enjoyment, and satisfaction is already in you. And you can achieve great things when you realize how valued you are already, when you realize how worthy you are already, when you realize how much beauty you have inside you already. If you would like to try out another exercise for you, I'm talking about this quite often, the mirror talks. Just every morning, stand in front of the mirror. You can affirm yourself, looking into your eyes, how beautiful you are, how smart you are, that you are enough, that you love yourself. But also you can add to this, saying that today is a gift and you will cherish it. My favorite sayings from Kung Fu Panda, when Master Oogway said, "Yesterday is history, tomorrow is mystery, but today is a gift. That's why we call it present." For a long time I was just repeating this when I heard that first time because the sounds was nice for me. But then after a while it hits me how true it is. We are so focused mostly either on past or on our present, future. What will come in the future? Oh, I've done this kind of things in my past. That we think those things define us. It's not true. You can define yourself in this present moment. You can change your life in this present moment. One of the ways you can do this, if you will join the #CanDoMindset community, where you can work with me and other members on your mindset to transform it so it will take out all the beauty you have inside you. It will help you find out all the happiness, enjoyment, and satisfaction inside you, and then find out your goal, clarity on it. If you would like more personalized support, I'm here. Just go to my website, either on Facebook, Radoslav Chomik, or my personal website, radoslavchomik.com, and schedule Discover call with me. A free coaching session that I'm offering to everyone, where we actually go through how I can support you on this journey of mindset transformation. So, are you ready to do this? Are you ready to step toward a positive mindset transformation? If so, I can't wait to have a chat with you. And I wish you many blessings.